Well, tonight I have taken the great plunge and tried to make squid with pasta and small cherry tomatoes with, of course, extra virgin Italian oil and garlic. My dear friend Carla, who's absolutely a fantastic individual, who sells fish and has recipes. She told me how to do this thing. And in the end, it was not bad. I frankly am a terrible cook. So, with her advice, sometimes things come out edible. Let's put it that way. And so here we are with the squid, a special kind of pasta, the cherry tomatoes, the olive oil, and there you go. Let me give you an idea. There's the wine I'm having, a beautiful white wine from Sicily. And what can I say? It's okay. I I always say you need to have Italian blood in your veins to make these primi, these dishes really good. But with Carla's advice, it's okay. Oscar, Wright in Rome. Talk to you later.